We currently have 7,700 confirmed COVID-19 cases in Florida. Check out the line of people trying to get food for their families. You can tell it was an extremely long line. I'm just guessing they would be waiting there for hours. The line extended for what seemed like miles. We stuffed whatever we could into the freezer. As you can see, we can't even squeeze any more food in here. Our neighbor let us borrow a mini freezer. My dad's a pretty handy guy, so he was trying to fix it, but it's broken.
Claro, mira, estas cuerdas van para allá abajo.
Go to the pet shop.
Okay, ¿cuánto tiene?
That.
Okay. And we went to multiple stores yesterday looking for a small refrigerator, like a normal refrigerator to put into the RV. I'm tired of the Everchills, so I'm not gonna put another one of those in. I'm just gonna buy a regular fridge that fits in my RV and go ahead and plug it in. The disinfectant aisle was empty. You can't find any Lysol, any disinfecting sprays anymore. So the refrigerators we saw that would fit in the RV range from $300 to $500. Unfortunately, I'm on a budget. I stopped working a couple days ago, so now I have to make sure that I can afford all my expenses for the next couple weeks. So I decided to go for a used refrigerator, which I found one online for $150, and we're gonna go take a look at it today. These are the pictures from the ads, so hopefully this works for us. Alright, and that's it for now. I'll record when we get the new fridge. Please like, subscribe, and follow us. Thank you.